In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple formulas. If you are working in a spreadsheet and want it to do math for you automatically, learning simple formulas is one of the most useful skills you can start with. The good news is that it's very easy once you understand the basic pattern. A formula tells the spreadsheet what calculation to perform, and instead of typing the answer yourself, the program calculates it for you. To begin, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is important because whatever formula you create will display its answer in that selected cell. So before typing anything, make sure you are in the exact place where you want the final result to show up. Next, type an equals sign. In spreadsheets, every formula starts with an equals sign. This tells the program that you are not entering regular text or a plain number. Instead, you are giving it an instruction to calculate something. After that, click on the first cell that contains your data, such as a 1. When you click that cell, its reference will appear in the formula. A cell reference is simply the spreadsheet's way of identifying a specific box using its column letter and row number. Now type your math operator. This is the symbol that tells the spreadsheet what kind of calculation you want to perform. For example, if you want to add values together, you would type a plus sign. The operator is the part that connects the two cell references and defines the action. Then click on the second cell, such as a 2. At this point, your formula will include the first cell, the math operator, and the second cell. This creates a complete instruction the spreadsheet can understand and calculate. Once everything looks correct, press Enter. The spreadsheet will immediately process the formula and display the result in the cell where you started. Instead of seeing the full formula after pressing Enter, you'll usually see the final answer. For example, if you type equals a 1 plus a 2, written as is equals to a 1 a 2, the spreadsheet will automatically add the values in those two cells together. This is a simple but powerful way to work with numbers more efficiently. As a quick tip, always double-check that you click the correct cells before pressing Enter. Especially if your sheet contains a lot of data. Even a small mistake in the cell reference can change the result. With this basic structure, result cell, equals sign, first cell, operator, second cell, and Enter, you can start building simple formulas with confidence.